So new bike day. Got this guy last night. Looks very rough, but just my size. Just took a gamble, and very nice chromo mainframe. Very good. Made in Taiwan. It's a Gaint Rincon. There it is. It's got this stuff on there. What is this? Let's see if I can take that off. This is funny, it's still got the plastic covering on that, so I'll take that off and that'll be clean that up pretty good. I think it should clean up pretty nicely. Hi Roy. Yep, it's covered in, look at that. It's just as clean as the bike, I think. What have we got down here? Oi. Zero X. There it is. It's all nice and rusty. Nice rusty chain. Look at that. Rusty cassette. Beautiful. Spokes. These things aren't too bad. Got stuff growing on them. Seat is. Seat post not stuck, which is fantastic. I've already thinking that there was fresh grease still in there. Hard to believe. So nothing stuck, and I won't be keeping any of this stuff. These wheels. They're not matching wheels, I don't know what they are. They're all rusted out. These brakes are probably okay. So I'm just going to give it a quick wash before I tear it down, clean up the frame. And I already have another bike built up that I'm just going to swap the parts straight over onto this. So I like this frame a bit better. I think it'll look a lot nicer. Yeah, that should be some quick, I hope. Just that there might take a bit of time. Yeah, look at that. I don't know what that is. We'll see. I think it'll clean up pretty good. It's got this sticker on here too. Look at that. Is it Ringwood? I think it's from there. Yeah, so that sticker's probably from when it got sold, I think. They've never really taken it off properly. But that's sorry about the camera, but this guy's just shaking it up. What are you doing, man? Let me film. Yeah. Try and take that off. I'll take it off. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's shifters. Nice crack there. They sort of work, but I'm not a fan of these anyway. It all works, but see if we can make it better. I have an idea. This is it after it's wash. And yeah, I'm gonna strip it down and then put all these bits. It's my specialized hard rock. And I'm gonna transfer all this onto that. I think it'll look really nice. And the main reason, you're gonna need the wheels. Where are they? Yeah, these 2.3s don't fit in here. Unfortunately, they rub. But no problem on that. So I thought, why not? Why not change this over? All right, let's do it. Okay, strip down. It's a lot cleaner now, but it's still quite dirty. Get that all nice and clean now. It's in too much trouble getting all that out. So yeah, a lot of dents here. I mean, look at that. So I'll have to treat all that. I'll keep the brakes, but that's about it. Had this thing on there. And the BB. This looks new, so see if I can reuse that. It's a bit of a cleanup, but yeah, it's pretty good. All right. fit alright. Chain line's pretty good. Let's go this side. About here. Which is good enough for now. Anyway. Oh, good enough for what it's going to be anyway. Yeah, the original PB's in there. The rolls were really nice. Nice and smooth, so win-win. Although that side's a bit wider than that, I assume because it had a little twisting in there. So, but I don't have anything to put in at the moment, so just leave it like that. It is fine. Probably end up changing it anyway later on. But alright. All good? Good. For the headset, this must have been serviced very recently. It's so clean. For a bike that was so crusty. Look at it. Just clean. Alright. Too good. File that nub off. Alright. Okay, so the bars are off. And they're on there. Now I'm just going to attach the brakes, and then I have to put an extra bit of cable here to here for the gears, because this one was underneath. So there's enough length there, but I just need to cut a new one there or use the old one, and put the chain on. And that should be done that quick. So, and then change the seat. I might put this one back on or something else.